VPK Bearing Company presents a linear motion bearing, also called a ball bushing or guide shaft. Swedish corporation SKF manufactured in Germany. The bearing is made of a polyamide separator. The rocker segment is made of stainless steel. The circulation of balls provides an unlimited length of travel with low friction. Linear motion bearings are lubricated at the manufacturer's factory. Due to the volume of grease and double lip seals, relubrication is not required in many applications, since the calculated relubrication interval exceeds the service life of the bearing. These linear motion bearings are lubricated with high-quality SKF LGE P2 grease. Bearing dimensions: inner diameter 40 millimeters, outer diameter 52 millimeters, height 60 millimeters. Details about this and other bearings on the company's website. VPK Bearing, so that everything turns for you.